Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone as a friend on Snapchat without it saying added by search. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, before opening the app, please make sure that your Snapchat application is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or to your Play Store and update your application. After that, let's head on and open Snapchat. And from here, let's swipe to the left to go on to the Stories page right here. So we are going to try and search for a friend. Let's just click on Add Friends right here or this button at the top right corner. So I'm just going to click on this, Search. And what we are going to look out for is to make sure that their username and display name does not match. So we cannot add this particular person since their display name and username are both the same, and that will say added by search. So as for this second person right here, it says Harry, but their username is different. You can safely add them without saying added by search. Instead, what they will receive is that it will say you added them by username instead of added by search. So again, if you want to search for example, Sandy, so you cannot add this particular person without it saying added by search. So for this, you can add it since their username and display name does not match. And that is how you can basically add someone to Snapchat without it saying added by search. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.